Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to touch base with you in relation to how to find really good converting offers using either Warrior Plus or ClickBank or JVZoo. Now, I'm not a really big JVZoo fan, mainly because the type of offers that they have there aren't really necessarily good for the type of, the traffic that we're going to be focusing on. So usually I'm probably just going to stay on the year of caution of Warrior Plus and ClickBank, just because they're, the best source of offers for myself and my traffic. And then on top of that, ClickBank's got some really good recurring offers as well, and then also some high ticket one stuff as well. So now, before we get into this, guys, I know how hard it is to get approved for offers. I've been there. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm going to give you guaranteed approval on breakout code 2.0. And then what we're going to do is that because that's a very good converting product, we're going to get guaranteed approval on that. And then we're also just, as a bonus for this, we're going to give you a bump to 80%. So you basically going up, it's 100% on the front end, but then it's 50, usually it's 50%. We're going to bump you up to 80%. So that means you guys get bigger profits and whatnot. So we're going to give you the bump code to that for you to apply. And then you guys will be on your way, because I know how hard it is. So you can at least get approved for an offer and get a bit of history around you, so it makes it easier for you to get approved later on down the road. It gives you a running chance, because I've been there. It was hard for me, and I was able to get in there, build a really good history. I've got one of the highest scores, affiliate scores of Warrior Plus now, that you can possibly get. So this allows you to do that. So so essentially I'm just going to do a quick video on how to find offers, guys. So down below this video there's a button to Warrior Plus. You should have an account already since you made a purchase via Warrior Plus, but there's a link there so you can go ahead and log in. If you can't log into Warrior Plus, guys, please just access the account through your products through the email that you got from Warrior Plus. If you're having login issues with Warrior Plus, please contact Warrior Plus support. That is the most fundamental thing that you can do to make sure that you can get access to it. I can't do it for you. You must get that, get yourself situated to get access to your own Warrior Plus account. All right, so basically what you want to do is that you just want to look for offers that are probably, they've sold over 500 to 1,000 units. You're looking for a refund rate of probably 8% or lower. You wouldn't really want to go higher than that, unless it's a really good converting offer and you can turn it over enough to cover any potential refunds or whatnot. All right, so there's some really good offers on here at the moment. Like there's Flex is a really good one. I did over just in the launch period. I did 250 units on that alone. There's a few good ones by Brendan Mace, which is really good. Like Set and Forget's a good one. Zen Profits is a good one as well. I did over 150 units in sending Jason Fortinson traffic there. Clickets is a good one. There's a whole bunch of them really. So if you look at see Set and Forget, 2,000, it's done over 20,000 units. It's got a decent conversion rate for that amount, because obviously a lot of colder traffic's been sent to it. But then $25 per customer, pretty good for a $6 front end product. So the OTOs do convert, and then it's got a refund rate of less than 8%, so that one's good to go. Now then there's like other products like Zen product, 29 to over 2,000 units, 29% conversion rate, over $37 per customer, 6% refund rate. So they're the sort of offers that you want to look for. Now when you're starting out, guys, it's very important to be honest about and I'll cover this in the next video. You just need to be honest about approvals, but I'm going to cover that in the next video for you, because it's very important. Don't copy what I say verbatim. You need to make it sound like it's genuinely from you, but that's why we've given you guaranteed approval and an 80% bump on breakout code 2.0 to give you the running chance to get started with Warrior Plus and start generating commissions. All right. So guys, we're just going to jump over to ClickBank real quick. Now, forgive me, ClickBank's not, nowhere near as pretty in terms of numbers for what is for me on Warrior Plus, as you can see there. But it's still pretty good, like $200 here a week or whatever it is. These are some recurring offers that are going through that I promoted there probably about a month or so ago. So I'm starting to get some recurring commissions. So as you can see here, there's like a John Thornhill Ambassador Program. I've got that listed as a bonus offer for you guys to take advantage of. It's a good high ticket offer, very good. And when you apply through me as a JFE referral, you're going to get approved. All right, so you do have to have a ClickBank account. I'm sorry if you can't get one, but that offer is there for that. There's also, you can go to the marketplace, guys, and just go click on marketplace, and then usually the best bet is looking for e-business and e-marketing. So you just click on that tab there, and then you can sort of scroll down what the top converting offers are. So Fast Tracks is a good one as well. You can send traffic to that. I haven't really made any sales on that one. I haven't promoted it. Clickwell system here, as you can see, I've done, I've done some sales here for these guys just recently. I've done up to $430 in commissions for them in the last couple of weeks. Just having and obviously no refunds. I've had no refunds either, so it's really good. Now, Perpetual Income 365 is a really good recurring one as well, guys. There's a link down in the bonuses for the bonus offers that you guys can promote. Now, you've got that opportunity there as well, so that will allow you to get access to and refer through Sean Josiah. He's got a really good converting offer. It's like $9 on the front. Then they do and then after I think it's 7 or 14 days, they get charged $47 for a 50% recurring commission, and those commissions do stick too. So they're very good. It's a very good stick rate, and I enjoy promoting this one. So obviously I've made quite a lot of. I know I've made more than $974 there, but this is just in the last month or so. So I've done about nearly $1,000 a short in the last month. So guys, very important that you go through here, look at different offers. You can click on the see if the offer is good for you too. Make sure if you think it's suitable, don't just click a link and blast it. Make sure you take a bit of time and effort to look at the offer. So this one here's got like 75% offer rate. So recession profit sequence, that might be a good one, to do that because it's relevant to like COVID, and you can sort of go with that one. So it's not too bad. There's a whole range of different things, guys, that you can touch base on, and I fully recommend just taking your time, going through the offers, see if it's something that you would buy. That's a good sort of like good way about it. That's an ethical thing to do. So if you would buy it, then definitely worthwhile having a look at promoting it. All right. Anyway, guys, that's a good way of how to find good converting offers on Facebook, on Warrior Plus and ClickBank, and then that should get you started. Cheers, guys.